Hello and welcome to this MindMapper tutorial from Biggerplate.com. In this tutorial I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways to navigate your way around your MindMapper mind maps. So let's take a look. As your mind maps develop, it's going to be important that you know how to move around them quite easily so you can get through to the information you need when you need it. There are two essential ways to move around the MindMapper canvas. The first is by using the sliders at the bottom and the side of your screen. So we can move left to right using the slider on the bottom of your screen, and as you might expect, we can move up or down the canvas using the slider on the right hand side. However, more often than not, what I use is the grab hand function. I just right click on the blank part of the mind map and hold down, and you'll see this little kind of hand appears with which I can drag my way around the mind map pretty quickly and pretty easily. I actually find that's a little bit more accurate than the sliders. I can kind of move to the areas I need a little bit more specifically than when I use the sliders. So just by right clicking in that empty space and holding that right mouse button down, you'll just be able to create that little grab hand, and that's going to enable you to pull the canvas around and manipulate that map much more easily. In terms of zooming in and out of your mind map, which is going to be, again, very important as the mind maps grow and you want to take a zoomed out view and look at the whole picture, or you want to zoom in and look at the details. Once again, down the bottom right of our page, if we just come down here, you've got a little zoom slider, so we can zoom out like so, or zoom in like so or so. Now again, I find that can sometimes go a bit too far in or a bit too far out. So what I tend to do is use more of the shortcuts in the software, just using the equals key on my keyboard to zoom in. So just pressing that once or twice. So it just is a little bit more gradual than going all the way in with the slider and all the way out. And the minus button or the hyphen, the dash, whatever you'd like to call that, will enable you to zoom out just using your keyboard as well. So quick and easy ways to zoom in or out on your information. And one final thing that's very handy to know is the quick view that fits the entire mind map into the window. So no matter how much information you've got on display, it's going to zoom out to that level to enable you to see that. So we can get to that just down here on this bottom right corner of the screen, just here where it says fit to window. So if we click that, it's going to zoom out to make sure everything that's open in the mind map is on display in the window. So no matter how zoomed in we are, we can just hit that button to just kind of reset and recalibrate ourselves so we can see where we are in the overall scheme of things. Another way you can access that same feature, by the way, in case you're up in the menus a little bit more. So let's just zoom in here again, come up here into the view panel, and you'll see over here we've got the fit to window option. Hit that and it's going to zoom out. So 3 quick ways to navigate your way around your MindMapper maps. Particularly important as you start to build out your ideas and information, that you can zoom in, zoom out, move around the mind map and get that sense of both the small zoomed in details and the big picture using some of the functionality in the MindMapper software. That's it for now, but for more resources to help you go further with mind mapping, head on over to Biggerplate.com.